Hi friends, this is Julie Tillman, and today I'm going to be working with the March 2019 My Monthly Hero kit, and there's some reactive new inks included, and so I am going to use this just for stamping. I'm stamping the sea glass color twice with my Misty, and then I'm going to go in on the bottom halves and use the blue water and stamp it again. And then I'm going to ink it up one more time, just the bottom halves, and then I'm going to spritz lightly with some water and blot up any excess with my baby wipe and stamp again and watch the magic happen. I absolutely love these little fishies. Next I'm going to work on the background for the card, which is a smooshing technique I use with a plastic baggie, just adding the inks to the baggie and smooshing onto the page, twisting it and turning it so I get different colors, different places, and then just spritzing and adding more color and more water and drying in between as needed to get that real underwater sea look, because that's kind of the theme of the kit this month. And I blotted off a little bit there, and there's the finished card. Just keep on swimming. Next, I'm going to do a resist technique with one of the add-on bold prints. This is the Bubbles bold prints, and I'm just inking up with Versamark, and then I'm going to emboss with white embossing powder, heat set it, and then I am going to just ink blend the two colors of ink, the blue on the bottom and the sea glass on the top, wiping off my brush in between just so I don't get the colors in the ink pads, and just going in, pouncing off first so I don't have this super saturated. Then I'm going to ink that up and blot it off a little bit, and then add some more till I get the blends that I'm looking for. And then I'm going to blot it off with a paper towel to kind of take that buffet, I guess. And so there's the finished card. I added an add-on set goldfish. And next I'm going to work on this jellyfish card, and I did a striped direct to paper background, just adding the ink cubes, swiping them across the page, then spritzing and blotting a little bit, and you see as you add it to some water, the saturation and vibrancy just really comes in there. I blotted that off, and you could keep it here, but I like to just keep on going, so I did, and I decided to do a little bit of smooshing, and I got too much water, so I just swirled it around and blotted it up, and decided to just do some small amounts of color there and try and even out those stripes so it looks more natural of a background. And then I'm going to emboss, I don't show it in the video, but I am going to emboss this with some coral images with white puff embossing, and it gives that nice texture. Anyways, that's all for today. I am so happy to be part of the My Monthly Hero blog hop, and I hope you check it out on my blog, poeticartistry.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching.